how to change currency in the actual Airbnb app. So in this video, I'm going to go through the step-by-step process so you can see it actually in the app how it works. Now, I work with clients all over the world, so this is a good little hack that you guys can implement while you're searching for Airbnb properties, but also making sure you understand that you're not overspending on booking properties or actually making sure you're promoting your properties in the perfect nightly rates. Hey, so let's get into the video now. Now, I've got this property, actually quite nice, isn't it? Look, Isle of Wight, it's got an amazing view. And yeah, so I want to show you, because when I was working through Airbnb app, you would have expected it, like if I go into the screen, the villa that I see, you would have expected where the price is, right? Where the actual price is, you would have probably seen a currency change there. But actually all you need to do is go back into the home page, go into your, so once you've logged into your account, you will see explore, wish list, trips, messages and profile. What you do is you click on profile, and then you get different, like basically your profile, you get loads of other things in there, but the option that you need right now is payments and payouts. And once you go in there, and this was so confusing for me when I was working through this, what I found was if you look at, you know, payments, payout and all of this, and look at literally on top right, they could have easily put that somewhere here, but I don't know why their user interface has decided that on the top right corner where it says the dollars, well, you can see the pound sign and GBP at the moment. Now look, recently I did a video around how to change Airbnb nightly rate with some other strategies apart from just going in and changing it. There is a link right here after you watch this video. It might be worth saving and looking at it. There is a little hack that I've mentioned, but for now, let's get back into this video. And then you'll see here different changes, right? So for example, if I then now change it into euros, I can do that. And now I'll go back into that page. You'll now see all the prices in your actual Airbnb account with the currency of that property. Thank you for watching another GrowYourBnb video. Now, I would like you to do a massive favor for us. Please make sure you hit that like, subscribe and share. And look, we'll be back with another video soon.